Oh, this team's amazing. The biggest thing for me is the culture that we have. I'm really big on culture, and it's what brought me to RBA, and it's what's kept me here for the last 3.5 years.
I'm proud to be part of this team because we truly are family oriented, inside and outside of work, and always have each other's backs and the customers.
My team motivates me to come into work every day. I love being part of a team, leading a team, and just doing the best that I can each and every day.
Oh, I would recommend working here any day of the week. And you know why? It's because we are real, right? We come into work, we have real life issues, but we also gracefully give each other support. And I think that's so important when we are putting ourselves into a career, a growth trajectory. We want to be able to know that we can trust our teammates to really be there for us if we need them, right? So I absolutely get so motivated with our people-centric culture and the growth of it.
The best thing about RBA is every decision we make, we consider 3 things: what's best for the customer, what's best for the company, but also what's best for our team members. So if it doesn't check all 3 boxes, we don't do it, or we change it immediately. I think as long as we're considering all 3 of those, every decision we make works out for everybody.
It's just a great environment, great vibe, and it's a good work-life balance.
I am proud to be a part of this team because of the people that I work with, the leaders that we have, and the mission that we accomplish in our community. It's really, really a wonderful thing.
I would definitely recommend a friend work here if they want an experience where they really feel valued as a team member and also being part of a successful company.